In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when Microsoft Outlook can't start, showing the error message, "The set of folders cannot be opened." This is a common problem that many users encounter. Fortunately, there's a relatively straightforward solution. Let's dive right into it. First, we're going to start by opening the Control Panel on your computer. You can do this by searching for Control Panel in your Windows search bar. Once you've got the Control Panel open, go ahead and search for Mail. This is the section where all your Outlook settings are managed. Now, when you see Mail, Microsoft Outlook in the search results, go ahead and click on it. It will bring up a new window. In this window, look for the option that says Show Profiles. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you need to create a new profile. To do this, click the Add button. You'll be prompted to enter a profile name, so be sure to enter something you can easily recognize later. Once you've done that, click OK to move on to the next step. Now, you'll be asked to fill in some information. You'll need to enter your name first. Make sure to provide your full name as you'd like it to appear on your emails. After that, you'll need to enter your email address. This is the address you use to send and receive emails through Outlook. Be sure to double check for any typos here because this information is crucial for your new profile setup. Next, you'll be entering your password. Remember, this is the password associated with the email account you're setting up. To ensure accuracy, you'll need to retype your password. Once all your information is correct, you're ready to proceed by clicking Next. Outlook will now start the process of setting up your profile. This may take a moment, so be patient and let the process complete fully. Once that's done, you simply click Finish to complete the setup of your new Outlook profile. But we're not quite done yet. Head back to Mail, Microsoft Outlook, and click Show Profiles again. You'll see a list of profiles, including the new one you just created. You need to select your newly created profile and then check the radio button that says Always use this profile. This ensures that Outlook uses this profile by default whenever you open the program. Finally, click Apply to save these settings. And that's it. Now you should be able to start Microsoft Outlook without any issues. This process might take a little time, but being thorough here is important to ensure everything works smoothly. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.